Delivery month. The circular is good for your money. The store and seller are great. Recommend. Seller, thank you.
It came pretty fast. The quality corresponds to the price. There is a small discrepancy, still not metal. The battery in the supply is missing. Had to buy separately. Recommend seller and store.
12 days to Moscow. After merging with other 4 orders, got the track.
Delivery to Nizhny Novgorod 2 weeks goods as in the photo. Put the battery at 13. Works fine. To the seller, thank you very much.
Received in 7 weeks. The track followed China. The packing is simple. To the Pari. Everything's fine. The battery is not included. Need LR44 RG39 inserted the battery and everything works. Plastic. I don't know how long. It seems that you need to be more careful with the measurements. Otherwise the probes for internal measurement are bent or prick. Seller recommend.
A good caliper. I'm more and more satisfied. Made of plastic, no battery.
The rod is completely made of plastic. There are no batteries included. Works fine. Measures 5.
It came in excellent condition. Checked the accuracy of the German folding meter. Compliance 100%. The yellow button does reset the readings in any position of measurement. Convenient when adding a second dimension. Shows the measurements in minuses. Very satisfied. You won't.
The goods went a month and a half to Peter. Tool made of durable plastic, which really liked. There is no chance of corrosion. Batteries are not included, so if anyone wants to buy in advance, see the photo. But I bought this for 13 rubles, so there is no point in ordering in China. I advise the device. Great thing.
It reached Kazan in 3 weeks. Everything looks good. Did not indicate that there are no batteries, although this is the usual case. Seller and goods recommend.
Seller handsome goods for 10 came to Tatarstan. The fastest delivery. Quality 5+. I advise you to take this product.
Quality is not bad, except that it is made entirely of plastic.